Hello students, in this video we will study remaining part of the chapter. What is a lightning conductor? Lightning conductor is a device used to protect building from the effect of lightning. It's provide easy route for the transfer of electric charge to the ground. It's the diagram of lightning conductor. This conductor provide easy route for transfer of electric charge to the ground. What is an earthquake? An earthquake is a sudden shaking or trembling of the earth which lasts for a very short time. It is caused by a disturbance deep inside the earth crust. It is not possible to predict the occurrence of an earthquake. This diagram is showing earthquake in Kashmir. A major earthquake occurred in India on 8 October 2005 in Uri and Tungdhar towns of North Kashmir. This diagram is showing structure of the earth. The uppermost layer of the earth is called crust. This is the crust. In the middle, mantle is present, and in the center, core is present. Core are divided into two parts: outer core and inner core. Earth's plates. The outermost layer of the earth is not in one piece. It is fragmented. Each fragment is called plate. This diagram is showing movements of earth plates. Kashmir, Gujarat and Rajasthan are the states in India where earthquakes are more likely to strike. What is a tremor? It is a sudden shaking of the earth. The tremors are caused by the disturbance deep down inside the uppermost layer of the earth. What is seismograph? The tremors produce waves on the surface of the earth. These are called seismic waves. These waves are recorded by an instrument called the seismograph. It is a diagram of seismograph. The instrument is simply a vibrating rod or a pendulum which starts vibrating when tremors occur. A pen is attached to the vibrating system. The pen records the seismic waves on the paper which moves under it. By studying these waves, scientists can construct a complete map of the earthquake. What is a Richter scale? The power of an earthquake is expressed in terms of a magnitude on a scale called a Richter scale. Some measure to protect ourselves from earthquake. If we are outside and an earthquake strike, we should take a following precautions. We should find a clear spot away from buildings, trees and overhead power things. If we are in a bus or a car, do not come out. Ask the driver to drive slowly to a clear spot. Do not come out of bus or car till the tremors stop. During thunderstorm. What is during rainy season? The sound produced by friction of charged clouds is called thunder or thunderstorm. During thunderstorm, we should not carry an umbrella. An umbrella can become electrically charged to lightning. It can be dangerous to life during thunderstorm. Therefore, carrying an umbrella is not proper during thunderstorm. Now, I would like this chapter in brief, point wise. Some object can be charged by rubbing with other objects. Next, there are two kinds of charge, positive charge and negative charge. Like charge repel and unlike charge attract each other. The electrical charge produced by rubbing are called static charge. When charge move, they constitute an electric current. An electroscope may be used to detect whether a body is charged or not. The process of transfer of charge from a charged object to the earth is called earthing. The process of electric discharge between clouds and the earth or between different clouds cause lightning. Lightning strike could destroy life and property. Lightning conductor can protect buildings from an effect of lightning. An earthquake is a sudden shaking or trembling of the earth. Earthquake is caused by disturbance deep inside the earth crust. It is not possible to predict the occurrence of an earthquake. Earthquakes tend to occur the boundaries of Earth's plates. These boundaries are known as fault zones. Destructive energy of an earthquake is measured on a Richter scale. The earthquake measuring 7 or more on Richter scale can cause severe damage to life and property. We should take necessary precaution to protect ourselves from earthquakes. So this chapter is completed. Bye bye student. Take care of yourself.